Good afternoon. We're going to show you a couple of our Hot Wheels Redline cars. The first one we're going to start with is the Sizzler Camaro. This car was a very rare car that was designed to go down a track. It's actually an electric car, but as you can see, it is a Hot Wheels. And I don't know if it's going to show up on the video, but if we look on the underside, it actually says Hot Wheels Sizzler Metal. It doesn't look like it's going to focus too well, but this was one that you could put a little key into, get it going, and it would go down the track on its own. Very rare little car, pretty cool, kind of collectible. The next one that we've got, many of you might have seen this before. This is the Silhouette. Very common Hot Wheels Redline car. It's an early one. A lot of fun. The next one that we have here, it's the Python. Kind of shows up there. This one's in pretty good condition. Fun little car. And this one, took a while to find one that the exhaust was still intact on there. Seems to break off pretty easily. But this one's called the Indy Eagle. We have a lot of these Hot Wheels Redline cars. Try to keep them on these little trays so that they don't go rolling away on the desk or the computer. Seems to work pretty well. That's a 3D printed item. Anyway, hope that you enjoyed the video. It's just a little bit of our collection.